Mastering reported speech in English. Hello there, English learners. Welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic called reported speech. It's crucial in daily conversations and also while writing. So let's unravel the mystery of reported speech together. Let's start with understanding what reported speech is. It's also known as indirect speech, and it's a way to tell what someone else said without quoting them directly. For example, if John says, "I am happy," in reported speech, we could say, "John said that he was happy." When we use reported speech, the verb tenses often change. This is because we're usually talking about something that happened in the past. Here's a quick guide on how verb tenses change. Present simple, e.g., I am, becomes past simple. He said he was. Present continuous, I am eating, becomes past continuous. He said he was eating. Present perfect, I have eaten, becomes past perfect. He said he had eaten. Remember, exact words aren't necessary in reported speech. The focus is on transmitting the meaning. Not only do the tenses change in reported speech, but modal verbs do too. Here are some common changes. Can becomes could, may becomes might, will becomes would. So, if Jane says, "I will come to the party," in reported speech, it would be, Jane said she would come to the party. Time expressions often change too when we use reported speech. Today becomes that day. Yesterday becomes the day before. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Now becomes then. For example, if Tim says, "I am going to the park tomorrow," in reported speech, we would say, Tim said he was going to the park the next day. Alright, that's a wrap on our lesson on reported speech. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it'll soon be second nature. Keep practicing and using these rules in your daily conversations or writing exercises. Stay tuned for more lessons on English grammar. Happy learning!